Here's the part that might be cringeworthy. I am going to drill a hole in my car. Right there. Now the hole is going to be exactly 1 inch. This is the anchor that's going to go inside. There you go. Now let the cringing begin. I don't want to break my bit. There we go. There was a drop that was on here, and when I removed it, it took a piece of paint up, so. There. Alright, now that it's dry, we'll go ahead and feed the line in. There we go. Here it is from the inside of the car. Straight through there. What you want to do is make sure you got this. Well, I'm sure right there. See this? Make sure you got that tight all the way. The rest of the antenna is going to get tightened up with this one right here. So I'm going to turn this sideways where we can get it in. And then we turn it back right side up. Alright. Now, put this in. Hang on, let me put this. There we go. I want to make sure I put it right back where I marked it. Just screw this down. To get it just right. There. Tighten it a little bit. I just want to snug it. I don't want to put it too tight because this is Bakelite and I don't want to crack it or break it. Just have it nice and snug. Well, actually, it actually stopped. It actually has a point where it actually stops on its own, so that's good. Well, you don't over tighten it. There it is. Now with the antenna installed, let's see if the radio picks up anything. This is the volume, this is the tone actually. Ooh, got something.
Will arise and be available, hallelujah, in these coming horrific times, hallelujah, as
our national debt. So is enough ever enough? Without repeating or rehashing that show, as of today, our national debt is now $19.1 trillion. That's
Oh, it's the Spanish station.
And it was always had potholes in it, and neither Orleans nor Jefferson Parish wanted to claim it because most of the rest.
And that's starting everything off on a Saturday afternoon. It's 78 degrees at WRJW 213.
Keeping you informed about weather conditions in Picayune and surrounding areas. Here's your current weather forecast from the National Weather Service.
There you go.
Overcast skies right now, and like I said, it's going to be cloudy to partly cloudy most of the afternoon, and 78 degrees is their high for this afternoon. For tonight, mostly cloudy skies, slight chance of a rain shower, only 20%. Low 64 degrees, south-southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, cloudy skies, a stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. High 78 degrees again. For Sunday night, rain showers early with overcast skies late. Thunder is possible. Low 56 degrees, but the winds switch to the north from 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain tomorrow night, 40%. Monday, partly cloudy skies, high 71 degrees. This weather forecast is brought to you by Luxury Countertops.
Ladies, when it comes time for a
All right, a success.